Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can enter map codes in Fortnite. So if you want to play a certain creative map from your favorite creator, I will show you how you can enter the code or how you can search for the name of the map. So first of all, let's hop onto Fortnite, and then once you are in the lobby, you want to click onto this button right here, this search button. And right here you can either search for the name or for the code. You can also search for categories, so if you want to look for box fights, zone wars, if you're into practicing, or other keywords right here, you just click on that and then you'll be able to find certain maps relating to that keyword, of course. And now if we want to find a certain island code or name, so let's start off with searching for a map with a name. Let's try out my practice map. Coach Phillips practice map. Then you just click enter. And you are able to find the map. So here you can just click on the map, hit select, and then you're good to go. Now if you want to search for island code, if you found the island code on the internet, you can look for different practice maps on the internet. Then you just type in this island code, so it's always 12 digits. Make sure that you have this dash in between the four numbers always. That's important. If you don't have that right, you might not be able to find the map. So either hit select, or now if you want to search for the island code, you just type the island code in right here. Make sure you don't forget the dashes, and then you're able to find that map as well. Then you just press select and you're good to go. You hit play, you load into the map. Either if you want to play private, if you want to play alone, so if it's a practice map, maybe you want to practice alone, then turn it to private. Or if it's a 2v2 map or 1v1 map, you hit public and you can look for random players. So that's how you can set that up, and then you just press play and have fun. If you have any questions, comment down below, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.